What if I told you you don't need a film crew, you don't need expensive cameras, and you don't even need years of editing experience to create cinematic videos? Today, I'm going to show you how creators are making studio-level cinematic films using Higgsfield Cinematic Studio. This is Higgsfield Cinematic Studio, an AI-powered environment built for cinematic storytelling. It's not just video generation, it's direction, composition, lighting, and motion, all in one place. Higgsfield thinks like a filmmaker. You're not dragging random effects, you're choosing camera language. Wide shots feel wide, close-ups feel emotional, every frame feels intentional. One of the most powerful features here is start frame to end frame. You define where your story begins and where it ends. Higgsfield builds the cinematic journey between them, with camera movement, lighting evolution, and visual continuity. Go to Google search for Higgsfield.ai and click on the first link. Here you can see the Higgsfield dashboard, and you can scroll right to check for more features and scroll down to check what's more, and you can check the link in the description. Once you're inside Higgsfield, head to Cinematic Studio. This is where everything cinematic begins. First, set your project correctly. Here you can see Cinema Studio, camera setup, camera movements, start and end frame, generate multiple angles. You can create cinematic video from image or video. In image, you can choose batch size and set resolution, 1K, 2K, 4K. You can upload image or write a prompt. Best options are we can choose camera, lens, and local length. You have many camera options. Choose according to your content style. Select the lens. And choose the focal length, like 8, 14, 24, 50. Let's generate by uploading images, and write prompt and check results. Now we'll check video. Here you choose movements of camera like zoom in, zoom out, tilts, and drone shot, and many more. Let me choose drone shot, and I uploaded front frame. Let's choose duration like 10 seconds. Let audio and slow be on. Let's choose batch size to 4 and generate. It take half a minute to get processed. Here are the results. Let's check. The results are more than expected and fantastic. Let's check what's more. It has features like true optical simulation, virtual camera rack, character lock, and infinite depth of field. Steps where you can take script to screen. Script the vision. Start with the story. Input your text prompt to describe the scene, lighting, and subject matter. Visual reference. Set the mood board. Upload an image reference to guide direction before generation begins. Build the rig. Open the gear rack. Select your specific camera body, lens type, and focal length to define the visual physics of the shot. Shoot previews. Create a batch of high-fidelity, static images in 21:9 aspect ratio. Select. Review your generated batch. Choose the single best image with the perfect composition. This is your anchor bridge to video. Move to the video generation panel and start animating your cinema. Direct camera motion. Choreograph the camera. Select mechanical movements and describe the specific action you want to occur within the scene. Generate. The final cut. Generate the final video with perfect cinematic look. You can see the workflows. You can see the sum of generations. Now we define the start frame, the first shot of your story. You can upload an image or write a prompt. Cinema was never just about cameras. It was always about vision. For creators, synchronized quality demanded time, expensive tools, and impossible workflows. Until now. Design shots like a director, light scenes like a cinematographer, edit like a full studio without one. From a single frame to a cinematic journey. The subscription pricing for Higgsfield AI, how much it costs, what you get with each plan, and which one makes sense depending on your needs. Whether you're a casual user or planning big video projects, this will help you choose smart. Depending on your plan, you get AI-generated videos and images, character animations, image-to-video, cinematic camera effects, etc. Access to advanced models and effects on higher plans. Pro, Ultimate, Creator. Better quality, more credits, faster rendering. For heavy creators or agencies, more credits and higher throughput on top-tier plan. We're comparing the top Cyber Week AI platform deals. At rank 1, Higgsfield leads with a $35 monthly plan at 70% off, offering the lowest prices across the board, just 29 cents for both Kling 2.6 and Kling 0.1, and 32 cents for Google Veo 3 Fast. FreePick follows with a $39 plan and slightly higher model costs. Artlist ranks third with a cheaper $20 plan, but significantly higher per model prices. OpenArt comes fourth with moderate rates, while InVideo lands fifth, offering the highest per model costs. Overall, Higgsfield clearly dominates in value and affordability. Higgsfield AI can be a great investment if you're serious about video content, from social media clips to cinematic promos. The pricing is scalable. Basic for beginners, Pro, Ultimate for creators, and Creator for heavy users or agencies. If you want quality plus flexibility, Pro or Ultimate is usually the sweet spot. Right now, Higgsfield is offering an incredible deal. Pro tips: be explicit. If you need text on the image, specify font style, placement, and readability. Nano Banana Pro excels there. Use reference images when you have a consistent style. For series, for example, multiple visuals for same brand or campaign, keep some prompt parts constant, character, setting, and vary others, color scheme, action. This helps consistency. Export in high quality and keep original model settings for future use. Always check licensing/usage rights on visuals if you're using commercially. So there you have it. Whether you're creating ads, teaching a class, designing characters, or just making something for fun, in Explore, you can see Halloween packs, and Sora community, Swan 2.5 community, and visual effects, Higgsfield Soul, and a lot more. And you can scroll down and watch what more Higgsfield can do. You can check video face swap outputs I have generated. It's available for both Windows and Mac. Pro tip: the shorter the video, the faster and cleaner the render. Creative use cases. Now, what can you actually do with this? Recreate movie scenes with your face in them. Make fun short reels or parodies. Create AI-generated storytellers or characters. But remember, Always get consent if you're swapping real people's faces. Use it for creativity, not deception. Comparison with other tools. You might have seen apps like DeepSwap, Reface, or HeyGen. They're cool, but Higgsfield stands out because it captures motion, lighting, and texture so much better. The result looks cinematic, and it all runs in your browser. No GPU, no complex software needed. Pricing and access. Higgsfield AI offers a free trial with limited credits. Paid plans unlock higher resolution and faster render times. If you're serious about content creation or filmmaking, the upgrade is worth it. Whether you're a filmmaker, a creator, or a brand, cinema is no longer exclusive. This is not automation. This is amplification. Create less, direct more,